What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. So in this video, we're going to talk about how to buy BTD coin, how to buy the dip coin, right? There's a lot of people that are still asking me how to purchase it, and you have to do it through Pancake Swap, which some people don't have MetaMask or Trust Wallet, and I'm going to do it the MetaMask way and not the Trust Wallet way. So if you want Trust Wallet, it's actually probably a little bit easier on Trust Wallet than it is on MetaMask, but it just makes it easy if you're on the computer with the Chrome extension for MetaMask. So we're going to go through that example. And if you guys want to break down on how to get it through Trust Wallet, please let me know, because that's an easier method in my opinion. So before we get started, make sure you guys hit that like button. Also hit that subscribe button for more videos like this one, and make sure that you check out some of the links down below. Now, I did want to basically thank everybody that's out there that has supported BTD so far. We already have a decent amount of people that are holding the position. And from all the people from the beginning, you know, as we're setting up liquidity and as everything is out there right now, we have in and out movements, which is really, really healthy for a cryptocurrency. And we're in the early stages of things, and we already have more holders than some things that have been out there for quite some time. So I appreciate you guys for supporting it, and I will do everything that I said I was going to do, besides the fact of including that 35,000 that I accidentally sent to the contract address, because the creation video that I watched told me to do that. I'm not going to name any names, so we'll leave it at that. I made the mistake when I even second guessed it, so that's my mistake. But we're going to get into this. Before we do actually dive into all this, if you do want BTD updates or you want Shiba Inu updates, feel free to follow me on Twitter. We did just reach over 1,000 followers, so feel free to follow me on this platform, and I will send out all different types of updates. I'm starting to use Twitter a lot more to get information out, to let people know even what the price of BTD is, what the expectation of BTD is, what the last move for BTD was, also burns, all of that, right? I'm going to let you know all about this coin. Also Shiba Inu, if I have any on Dogecoin, Mars, I will end up doing that. You know, there's just a lot of updates that I could bring to you guys. So feel free to follow me over on Twitter. That does, you know, help me out. And also I feel like you get a little bit more information there. But first, we're wondering how to buy this coin, buy the dip coin, right? If you go on Binance Scan, I will have all of the links down below to every single area. So if you go on Binance Scan, Binance Smart Chain Scan, you're going to see this position. Currently, we have 92 addresses holding this position. Total amount of transfers, 321. We reached $1.03 yesterday, and it did come back a little bit. I'll show you what the actual price is right now and how you can check the price. It's basically how you can buy it as well. But 321 transactions. Again, this is more transactions than you have of things that are actually established. And you have, obviously, this is about to be established. The only reason why I think it's not is because we don't have the logo actually submitted yet. Well, I have it submitted. It's not final, right? They didn't actually approve it. So we're still in the beginning stages of it. We're only 2 days out of launch without a logo here, and it's pretty interesting to see, you know, how many people support it and what it's going to do, the overall plan, the overall sentiment, everything that's going on with it. So again, I really appreciate it. So the things that you want to have up while you're looking to invest in BTD, buy the dip coin, you want to have up this, which will be down in the description, the Binance Smart Chain Scan. You also want to have this up as well, how to connect to Binance Smart Chain through MetaMask, how to connect your MetaMask to Binance Smart Chain. You want to have this up, which will be down in the description. And you also want to have Pancake Swap up as well. This is going to be how you actually buy it after you get into MetaMask. Now, another thing that you want to do is you want to go to Google and search for MetaMask Chrome extension, right? And you'll end up getting to a point where you sign up, do all that stuff, and log in, set up your account. It's going to take you to the Ethereum network after you set up. If you still need to go through the setup, feel free to pause this spot, and then you can come back, you know, afterwards. But basically, it's going to tell you that you're in the Ethereum network. Well, this is the wrong network. You need to get into a Binance Smart Chain network. So the way that you do that is you go here and you hit add a network. And when you add the network, it's going to take you to another page. It's going to show you all this information, which looks similar to what you saw before, connecting, looking at this, connecting your MetaMask to Binance Smart Chain. So you want to enter all this information right here, not the testnet information. You want to enter the mainnet information. So you can name it Smart Chain, you can name it Smart Chain Mainnet, whatever you want to name it here. Just name it something Smart Chain so you understand what it is. You can name it BSC mainnet, which is what I have it named as. And then what you do is you just change over to that network. It's going to default to BNB, right? When you do change over to that network, you see that? So then you want to go down here at the bottom when you're only going to see BNB. You're not going to see anything else. You want to go down to the bottom where it says import tokens, and you import the token address. You want to import BTD. So now you go over to the buy the dip coin, Binance Smart Chain Scan. You copy this address, and then you go back in here, and let's go to import, and then you just paste the address in here. So if you paste the address in here, it's going to say for me that the token has already been added. So I added this token. Yours is going to come up with the symbol name and the decimals, and then you just hit add token. Now that token is going to be in your address, in your wallet address. You're not going to have anything though. So now you want to make sure that you have BNB. So you need, let's say, I don't know how much you want to buy. Let's say you buy one BNB. So now you have one that's over there. Well, now you're going to have to go to Pancake Swap, which will automatically connect as long as you go up here and you connect your wallet. It'll connect to your MetaMask wallet. So then you just take the BNB that you had and you're going to swap it for BTD. So whatever you want to swap it for, if you wanted to basically swap one, you would get 400 BTD, right? So that's great to be able to do that. But if you have one, you want to make sure you have enough in there to go through with all of the other transactions. You want to make sure you have enough to pay any type of fees. So make sure that you leave some out. So maybe you wanted to do 0.95, especially if you want to send it to people. I said 95. Let's see, 0.95, right? You want to keep 0.05, or maybe you want to keep 0.1, right? If you want to keep 0.1, that can actually give you a little bit of room to pay the fees, which the fees are not that expensive. You're going to pay like 0.000 like 3 or something. It's going to be like 15 cents. So it's not going to be expensive at all. But then you go ahead and buy some. And right now I have an insufficient BNB balance because I don't have any BNB there. But yeah, that's a way that you can buy BNB or can buy BTD, and then you'll have it in your wallet, which it won't have a price directly to it in the the MetaMask wallet, which nothing really has a price. You're not going to see anything on the Binance Smart Chain that actually gives you a price. You can see BNB that doesn't give me anything. But when you go over here and check the value, the way that you check the value is you change the first token to USDT, and you change the next token to keep it at BTD. So now if you wanted to look at one BTD equals 91 cents or almost 92 cents, right? So that's where you can look at the value of the coin. So that's a really brief way to really do that. Trust Wallet, I think, is easier just because I don't think you have to go through all of these steps in order to set up the wallet address. So you're skipping that step, but you are adding the coin to the wallet. So you're just skipping the step of adding the Binance Smart Chain because it's already on the Binance Smart Chain. So yeah, that's a simple way of adding the coin. Hopefully you found that valuable. Understand that I do have a lot of things coming with the coin when it comes to burning off Shiba, when it comes to burning off BTD and increasing the value there. I did end up making a move, which I want to update you guys, and I will update on Twitter as well. But if you go into BTD, you're going to see another address that holds a larger amount. So the 60,000 that's holding here, that's going to be the amount that's burned off total. So you're going to have some that's sold for BNB in order to burn Shiba. So it's going to be sold for BNB throughout. Now, I'm not going to sit here and just take the whole entire massive amount that we see here. I'm not going to take 1,200 and just sell that, right? It's not going to be right from like whatever the price is. It's going to be from a slow moving price where I'll take, 10 or 20 and just slowly get up to that level in the quarter, because it's going to be 3 months. Over 3 months, I'll basically take 1,200 and it's going to be sold for Shiba to burn. So hopefully we can get this price way above $1, because right now the potential burn is around $1,200, which is better than nothing. It's just, I would expect a lot more. I would love to burn off a ton more Shiba and know that I have to factor in taxes, because obviously as I sell, it becomes profit for me for my taxes, which sucks. I wish it could just go to like getting that and burning that. That would be amazing. But the gain is reflected in my taxes. So that just absolutely sucks. So I would love to have more so that we can burn off a lot more in this first instance, especially looking at over 1,000 coins. But we do have a full quarter to go. We have like 60 days to go before the quarter ends, right? We're at a short quarter because we started this coin in the middle or at the end of January, but we're still going to burn at the quarter end date. So, March. So yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. Make sure you guys hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell for more videos like this one. Also, make sure you check out some of the links down below. And again, follow me on Twitter. Feel free to follow me here. I'm going to have a bunch of different updates for BTD, for SHIB, for everything that we have here. And I'll continue to, give you guys those updates. But thank you guys for watching. I'm going to get out of here, and I'll catch you in the next one.